Made in China, best quality. With the core technology and the extraordinary power that precedes domestic counterparts, after 10 years development, GBPI becomes the largest manufacturer of packing testing equipment in China. We specialize in producing all kinds of testing instruments, including 80 different types of equipment with full complement of configuration and models. Our products serve to food industry, pharmaceutical industry, testing institutions, universities and colleges, daily chemical and many other industries. GBPI's testers with cutting-edge MCOM operating system, namely oxygen permeation analyzer, water vapor permeation analyzer, and gas permeation analyzer. These pioneers of permeation testing win National Technology Progress Award. We control every production progress, devoting to innovation and lean production. Our products keep up with the times. Their high efficiency, intelligence, perfection and convenience give our customers a brand new experience. Innovation is a motive power of every development. So our professional R&D team keeps innovating and cooperates with many famous universities and institutions, bringing about dozens of product patents and intellectual property rights. We persevere in exploring and have been awarded National High-Tech Enterprise, National Software Enterprise, CMA Enterprise, Producer of Standard Reference Materials and many other honors. We have passed CNAS, 3Q, ISO, CE and other qualification examinations. The safety of food and drug attracts the attention of the whole country, but without national standard reference materials for gas and water vapor permeability of their packages, market regulation faces great trouble. Based on social responsibility and after years of research, GBPI finally developed the first national standard reference materials of oxygen, water vapor and gas permeability in Asian Pacific region. Today, the standard reference materials developed by us play an important role in quality inspection and metrological verification nationwide. The accuracy and stability of the instrument are the core values that customers conserve. Now, the packing testing labs of GBPI are playing active roles in the data comparison of global users. To create more value for users is the social responsibility of a company. As a technology-oriented service firm, GBPI focuses on providing one-stop service for customers, setting up numerous service outlets around the country. Our modularized instrument structure is easy to maintain with intelligent automatic diagnosis. We have online video support, establish a dedicated storeroom for spare parts, provide spare equipment, set up 400 service calls, and provide free training service to ensure friendly customer usage. Quality wins the world. Service earns satisfaction. Our company has more than 10,000 customers worldwide.
因为仪器性能稳定、准确，操作也简单。
产品质量或者性能也提高了。
Nowadays, we are the owner suppliers of China GBPI, India SIPAT and inspection centers of Beijing, Tianjin, Shanghai and more than 20 cities. We are the close partners of leading packaging companies like Tetra Pak, Lot Packaging and M-Core Group. We are the laboratory program providers of well-known pharmaceutical companies like Otsuka Pharmaceutical and Mentholatum Pharmaceuticals. Famous food producers such as Nestle's and Kraft Foods enjoy our service for the quality assurance in production process. Sun Yat-sen University, Peking University, and the Singapore Data Storage Institute choose us as their partners to carry out educational research. GBPI's instruments are sold all over the world. Our high standard and good performance earn favorable international reputation. Our mission is taking responsibility for the society, creating value for customers, and creating future for our staff. our vision is to be leader of global package testing industry. Our philosophy is professional, normative, innovative, and grateful. We are proud of that. GBPI owns an excellent team. They work hard with high efficient, high responsibility, and selfless contribution. We are bound to be the leader in package testing equipment field.